Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can claim the Sparkle rewards in Dress and Price game of Roblox Summer Update 2026. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to open up this menu and you'll see logins option. Tap on that and then you're going to claim your daily login. You'll get the pink cash, and once you claim the daily login, you'll get Sparkle. And you can go to the rewards option and you'll see your sparkles right here, and you can use the sparkle to claim the reward. And to claim the Cyber Bodysuit Bottoms, I need to have 16 sparkles, so now I'm not able to claim it and I need to wait until tomorrow to get more sparkles, because I think a day you only get one sparkle or two. I don't really remember, but now my sparkle is not enough, so I need to log in tomorrow to get more sparkles. So don't forget to always claim your daily login guys, and you'll get more sparkle. And for the final sparkle reward, you'll get this beautiful dress and this long wavy hair. Oh my god. And my current streak is 3 days right now. Yeah, I need more logins. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim the sparkle rewards in Dress and Price game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.